Hi, I'm Heidi and welcome to Kiddos Koral. The first meal I'm going to be sharing with you is a simple breaded fish stick with crunchy French fries. Now we are having a savory shepherd pie and I'm pairing this off with some Hawaiian rolls. This is one of my favorite meals. This is real comfort food and the recipe will be down below. Now I'm making up some fajitas and I'm adding all those glorious vegetables to my seasoned chicken. And when it's all good and cooked up, we're just going to put that in tortillas with some cheese and some hot salsa. Now we are having some taco chili. I love this taco chili. It is so good. And I'm pairing the taco chili with some corn dog muffins, which is actually just Jiffy Mix with hot dogs and cheese. And there's my bowl with the cheese on it. So good. Now we're having a leftover night where I took the leftover chicken fajitas and I put it on a bed of nachos and covered it in cheese and placed it in the oven. So loaded nachos. Breakfast is a wonderful meal and I'm frying up some bacon. And I made some homemade buttermilk waffles with blueberries. Lastly, I am making some lasagna rolls with a little bit of garlic bread. And I also made a dessert, a mixed berry cobbler. I do hope you enjoyed seeing all of my meals, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching.